Good distribution practices, or GDP, are essential for maintaining the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products as they move through the supply chain. This presentation will delve into the key aspects of GDP, why they are necessary, and the regulatory frameworks that govern them. The key aspects of GDP include storage conditions, traceability, staff training, and inventory control. Proper storage conditions ensure the integrity of sensitive products. Traceability helps track products from manufacturer to end user, preventing counterfeit drugs. Staff training ensures personnel handle products correctly, and inventory control methods like FIFO minimize waste and risk. GDP is required to ensure patient safety by handling drugs safely, meet regulatory compliance, prevent counterfeiting, minimize product loss, and maintain product efficacy. These practices are crucial for the overall integrity and reliability of pharmaceutical distribution. Different types of drug distribution require GDP, including prescription medicines, over-the-counter products, biologics, and vaccines. Each category has specific storage and handling requirements to maintain their therapeutic value and ensure safety. Additional types of drug distribution that require GDP include controlled substances, APIs, cold chain products, and blood products. These categories demand strict handling, storage, and traceability measures to prevent degradation and ensure safety. Health Canada and the World Health Organization provide regulatory references for GDP. Health Canada's guidelines ensure drug distribution systems maintain product quality, while WHO's guidelines focus on environmental control, traceability, and regular audits to ensure global compliance. The US FDA's regulatory references for GDP include the Drug Supply Chain Security Act and Current Good Manufacturing Practices. These guidelines ensure that drugs distributed in the US are safe, effective, and free from tampering, with key requirements like environmental control and detailed record keeping. The Health Canada GDP certification process involves registering with Health Canada, implementing GDP procedures, submitting a DEL application, undergoing an inspection, and receiving the DEL. This process ensures compliance with GDP standards for drug distribution. The WHO GDP certification process includes implementing WHO guidelines, submitting an application, completing an internal audit, undergoing a verification inspection, and receiving certification. This ensures that companies comply with international GDP standards. The US FDA GDP certification process involves registering with the FDA, ensuring drug traceability, implementing GDP requirements, providing compliance evidence, following CGMP guidelines, and submitting annual reports. This comprehensive process ensures the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Facility requirements for GDP certification include proper storage conditions, adequate layout, security measures, and documentation and traceability. These elements are essential to maintain the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products throughout the distribution process. Temperature control in GDP facilities is crucial for maintaining product integrity. This involves continuous monitoring, adjusting systems, detailed record keeping, automated alerts, and quick response protocols to prevent any temperature-related issues that could compromise drug quality. Warehouse requirements for GDP certification include temperature control, quality control, stock management, and security measures. These ensure that products are stored correctly, managed efficiently, and protected from damage or theft. Carrier and trailer requirements for GDP include temperature-controlled vehicles, thorough documentation, regular maintenance and inspection, and staff training. These measures ensure that pharmaceutical products are transported safely and remain effective upon delivery. GDP compliance is a continuous process involving initial certification, regular audits, continuous training, technology updates, and recertification. This ongoing effort ensures that pharmaceutical distribution practices remain up to date and effective. The benefits of GDP compliance include enhanced product quality, increased patient safety, regulatory compliance, and improved efficiency. By adhering to GDP standards, pharmaceutical companies can ensure their products are safe, effective, and reliable. Implementing GDP comes with challenges such as cost, complexity, global variations, training, and technology. Overcoming these hurdles is crucial for maintaining the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products in the global market. Future trends in GDP include the use of blockchain technology for traceability, AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance, IoT integration for real-time monitoring, and sustainable practices for eco-friendly distribution. These innovations will enhance the efficiency and security of pharmaceutical distribution. A mid-sized pharmaceutical distributor successfully implemented a comprehensive GDP program, resulting in a 98% reduction in temperature excursions, 100% regulatory compliance, and a 15% increase in customer satisfaction. This case study highlights the significant benefits of adhering to GDP principles. In conclusion, GDP is vital for ensuring patient safety, industry integrity, global health, and continuous improvement. By maintaining high standards in pharmaceutical distribution, we can protect public health and enhance the reliability of the pharmaceutical industry.